All right, here we go. So on this next one, it says, which one is in factored form? Which expression represents a quadratic expression in factored form? Well, the first one definitely looks like it, right? It's prime, right? I can multiply it out. Quadratic means that it has to have x squared, though, right? Quadratic means second degree polynomial. So now the reason I mentioned that is I looked at this and I thought, well, that's certainly factored. But when I multiply, when I distribute that 5 through the parentheses, I get 5x plus 45. That's a first degree polynomial. So that one doesn't work. Second one, can I multiply that out and get x squared? Yeah, because I got an x times x. Can I factor anything out inside the parentheses? No. So that one works. This one is not factored. It's quadratic for sure, but the factored form would be x times x plus 8. So that one doesn't work. And this one is not multiplied. Factors are multiplied. If I just add that up, it's just going to be 2x, not x squared. So this one doesn't work either. So my answer is this one, and my answer is this one.